yesterday we did a lot, and this camera never left the truck. It was hot, always working. You know, I can't always have this out, obviously, because we do have to keep the business going instead of keeping YouTube going, but we're gonna try to have it out today. We got some 90s to put in. We're doing some really goofy stuff. We tied in and we're going down and 90 into the edge of the road, 90 and back up the edge of the road, towards the way we came, getting close to the top of the hill, 90 and across the road. There we'll have casing under the county road and yellow mine, 6-inch yellow mine inside the casing. Then we're getting across the road, and then we're 90ing again. So if everything goes right, we will have put 1, 2, 3, 4 90s on today, just to make a 180. So that math don't add up. Anyways, yeah, so we'll try to get the camera out. It's getting pretty hot and humid out here, so we'll see how it goes today. Give you a quick recap yesterday while the backhoe's digging. We're looking for an existing main that may or may not be there. So we tied on here, ripped out an unknown service there. This pipeline runs right through there, so we can't get too couldn't get too close to that. That guy had to be here. T coupling all the way down here to get a valve. 90 down there by Brandon, 90 over there by the backhoe. Come up this road, 90 right here on the other side of the mailboxes, cross the road, 90, and go up and tie in. Easy, super easy. These guys are still looking for a water line, and we're not even sure if it exists. So we had to move this valve way down the hill to get away from the pipeline easement, make that guy happy. So here we are. There's that one. The legends are true. There is a water line in there because we dug through it. It's about 18-inch, 2-foot deep. Nathan's down there re-tapering a piece of pipe that he cut the taper off of. That he wasn't supposed to. Good job. So now we get to put that 90 on in the mud. Favors might be over here. Well, I guess we're not going to cross that road today. It's already almost 2 o'clock and we ain't to it yet. And we got quite a bit of stuff to do to get ready. So we're going to get up to it, get everything ready. Everything hauled out there, all our casing pipe hauled out there. And I'm gonna grab this trailer and go sleepy at lunch. Grab this trailer and we'll get our dozer and move it back over on the first section we did, because we had a spot wash out real bad and we barely got any cover over our pipes. So we're gonna do that while they're getting that 90 put on and everything loaded up we need for tomorrow. Finish out the day. They're calling for some decent rain tonight, but it's all overnight rain, so we should be all right. I mean, it'd be a little slimy in the mornings, but in the morning, about normal for this job. This job here is, well, that wasn't high gear. This job here is wearing us out fast. And in a hurry. We had brought our pressure pump. I gotta fix that one of these days in hopes of getting this line done this week. Not sure that's gonna happen. I know we'll be happy when we're done. I'll be happy when we pull out of here. I'm usually one to like just about anything as long as we're working. This one's wearing me out. Oh, it's hot. Whoa! I fell off this sucker. There's a dozer down there. I wonder what he's doing. I wonder if he's doing what I'm doing. This job is busy, but we're here. I gotta unload, hop over against the fence here, back my truck up so I can get through there. And then we'll get to running ditches. I need to be more careful hopping in and off stuff like this while I'm by myself. But I kind of get in a hurry more often when I'm by myself than around anybody else. People look at me funny when I have this on my head. I know that. Those guys look like they're done doing what they're gonna do and getting stuff straightened up down there, so we'll get this done, and this is gonna take a couple hours probably all together. We'll get her. that should work. All right, we got to go down on the other side of those trees. Trench this straight, it'd be easy to run. Oh, I think he's on the other side of the road. Oh, trying to get this money for the rent. Cadillac gas money speed. Hey, this is the only run on this whole job that we didn't hit their water line, and it's because I went up through with the backhoe ahead of the guys trenching, ahead of our guys trenching, and located it. The only section of line we didn't hit. How deep that washed out. Holy cow. I mean, I bet we almost see it down here. That's 2 foot. That's crazy. Where'd my dirt go? Where did my dirt go? Wow, I'm gonna have quite a bit of work to do here. That's cool. This is what we're here for. We're gonna fill this in somehow. Yeah. That's pretty good before and after, I'd say. A little bit tricky. Couldn't find the dirt. Don't know where she went. She's pretty well cleaned up now. Still got a little belly in her, but it'll work for now. I don't know if I'm going to keep going doing this or what. I got to go up and check out the other side and see. So good enough for me. It's cooled off nicely. That front's coming in. Supposed to get some pretty decent showers tonight, so it's cooling it off nice. Yeah, we'll have that. Guess I need to stop yelling. We'll have that casing and stuff to put in tomorrow for that road crossing and a couple 90s, and I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say probably hit a water main. We do every other day here, so might as well go ahead and do it tomorrow. I don't want tomorrow to be left out, but that turned out pretty good. Good enough. And I got this guy's ditch straightened up. He was a little worried about it. Got him piled up in his yard, so the rest of this ain't bad. It didn't really do much like that. That's pretty good. Some of it, I put rock on that road. Some of it settled pretty good. These people, they're not gonna care. Their yard looks pretty good. This guy wanted his ditches done last week, but we couldn't get to it. So he went ahead and did it himself, and they look pretty good. So that works for me, because he bummed a little bit of our rock pile there the other day. So we're gonna call that even. Yeah, he's got that looking pretty decent. So. And up through here, these aren't no big deal. They aren't even that bad for some reason. I think just the low spots got a lot of water washed down on them, a lot of runoff. So that's what the problem was. That driveway's washed just a little bit. Wow. Yep, headed back to the lot. I tell you what, this job looked a lot better on paper. It's like the fellas, well, why aren't we using 12-inch? It's like the fellas got casing and carrier pipe loaded up. I'm gonna get backed in here and try not to hit that fence, because that's exactly where I was aimed for. You know, backing these trucks up's a skill, and I have not mastered it yet. That's a fact. But give me enough time, give me enough chances, I'll get her backed into just about anywhere. You know, I was all about extending that other section, but the way these first two went, I don't know if I want to do that or not now. Nah, I'm just kidding, I'll do it. You know me, I'm down for whatever, wherever. I know it looks like we got our stuff just kind of stacked anywhere and everywhere, but we're trying to keep these lanes open to where these guys can get in here and get these propane tanks. So we're kind of just parking in between all of them. And I was way crooked there, so we're gonna get lined back up. There looks crews coming in. Oh, 18's showing up. They probably wonder where I've been. Let them. That's what I say. Let them wonder.